Much appreciated. Okay, I am so fucking tempted to like send I'm so tempted to have a website where everyone is putting in their little like vaccine card, and if they put in on their account that they have a vaccine card, that they're fully vaccinated, I'll send them a free nude just to get people vaccinating themselves. I'm so tempted to do it because I know that people do it. If I say, hey, you can have a nude if you get vaccinated, I'm sure there's people that actually will. I'm so tempted to do it. I'm so tempted to do it. Yeah. I wonder if that will help people to do it. Hi, Katerina!
Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe at saka mag-like.